Subject English, Standard 4th. Hello students, welcome back in Aesop's Fable. Let's have a quick recap of The Stag at the Pool. A handsome stag once came, admired himself in a pool of clear water. He felt proud of his beautiful antlers, but when he noticed his spindly legs and small feet, he began to feel ashamed of their ugliness. All of the sudden, some hunters shot an arrow that just missed him. He quickly turned and bounded away. His thin legs helped him to move quickly and escape. When he slowed down, he suddenly found himself in a thicket of trees. His curving antlers got caught in the branches. The stag tried to free himself, but his antlers got even more entangled. The hunters were arriving near when, at last, he freed himself and ran away. He realized that his ugly feet had saved him, while the handsome antlers could have caused him to death. Students, can you recognize which animals are there in this picture? Yes, you are correct. The dog and the ox. So, today we are going to learn one more new short fable, that is The Dog in the Manger. Once a dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place to lie down. He came to the manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. During the summer season, we often try to find comfortable and cozy place like some shade to walk in the hot afternoon, or when we come home tired, we on the fan and want to be relaxed by having some cold water. Likewise, the dog in this fable was searching for a cool and comfortable place for a nap after his food and jumped onto the hay to rest. We came across the new word in the first para, that is manger. Now, what is manger? Manger means a long open box in a cattle shed. One more new word, hay. Hay means cut and dried grass used as food for animals. Animals eat this dried grass as their favorite food. It was a very hot afternoon. After a while, the ox returned from the field. He had worked hard in the hot sun and was now quite hungry. He stood in his stall and was planning to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. However, when he reached for the hay, the dog saw him standing in the manger. He began to bark loudly at the ox. Each time that the ox came near the hay, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. He would not allow the ox to eat his hay. Students, when we come home after school tired, our mother makes for us something favorite, hot and tasty snacks. The ox also was served his favorite food, that is, hay in the manger. As we know, along with farmers, the ox also works very hard on the farm and in the afternoon had become tired and came hungry to have his favorite food. But the dog would not let the ox to get near the manger and snarled, barked and snapped at the ox because the dog was taking rest in the manger and got disturbed and angry and he started to rumor his anger on the ox. Now we came across a new word that is snarled. Snarl means make an aggressive growl with bare teeth. Students, now you know the meaning of snarl. And now listen carefully. What does it mean? Oxen are generally peace loving and patient animals. But finally, the ox got upset and spoke firmly. Dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it. But you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Now, students, you know what are oxen? Oxen means more than one ox. It is the plural form of ox. Now, you know what is meant by ox also. Ox means bullock, who helps the farmer on the farm. And they are generally a peace loving and patient animal. Peace means they don't like fight, they don't like to get involved in any of the fight. Patient means able to accept or tolerate the delays, problems or sufferings without becoming annoyed or anxious. The dog snarled at the ox until the ox was forced to leave the manger. The dog was mean and spiteful. He prevented the ox from eating the hay, even though he had no use of it. When someone does not allow others what he himself cannot enjoy, and with little possibility, the ox got angry and spoke firmly to the dog. If you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind. But you neither eat or nor allow me to enjoy my favorite feast. Feast means a favorite large food and which is of no use to you. So let me enjoy it. But the even though the dog did not allow the ox to have his favorite food and was forced to leave. What did we learn from this story? People often grudge others what they cannot enjoy themselves. We should not be unhappy when someone is getting something. We should be always happy. We came across the new word in this paragraph, that is patient. Patient means able to accept or tolerate delays, sufferings, or problems without becoming annoyed or anxious. Beg rich. Be unwilling to give. Be unhappy that someone is getting something. Next, upset. Make unhappy or disappointed or worried. Fill in the blanks. The stag's antlers got dash in the branches. The stag's antlers got entangled in the branches. Second, the dog came to the dash of an ox. The dog came to the manger of an ox. Third, the stag saw his own dash in the water. What is that? The stag saw his own reflection in the water. Rewrite the sentence by changing opposite words for the following underlined words. First one, she was wearing a beautiful dress. Answer, she was wearing an ugly dress. What is the opposite of beautiful? Ugly. Second, it was a very wise thing to do. Which word is underlined? Wise. Answer, it was a very foolish thing to do. What is the opposite of wise? Foolish. Students, now there is an assignment for you. That is, make sentences on your own. Now one is done for you. The rest two you have to do on your own. The first one is realize. And the sentence is, did you realize your mistake? Second, wise. Third, it is a phrase, hot on his trail. Means, one example I will give for you. Police are hot on the trail of robbers. Second assignment, pick out 5 nouns from the story The Stag at the Pool. Now, what are nouns? You are much familiar with the nouns. Nouns can be proper noun or common noun. You have to pick out 5 nouns from this story. That is, The Stag at the Pool. 2 I will give you, 3 you have to find. One is Aesop, second one is Hunter. Next 3 is your homework.